Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my channel. If you know me, that's good. But if you don't know me, so I'm Shardar Shakarma, and today I'm going to tell you how I managed to do my makeup even when I literally have nothing. So by nothing, it doesn't mean that I do not have literally nothing, like nothing. So how am I gonna be able to make this video, right? I'm not gonna put multani mitti for my base and for my blush. I'm not gonna apply chukundar ke slices ka ras, and that is not going to happen in this video. I'm just gonna tell you the basic minimal glam that I create, and it doesn't even need a very much products, or you can say it doesn't take any foundation, concealer and all of that. So if it doesn't have much products, this video is going to be very helpful for you. So let's just get into this. If I be really honest, I do have some products, but there are some necessary products that I don't have. Like I don't have concealer, highlighter, lipstick, contour, and there's so many things which I don't even know. Foundation, oh well, I do have a foundation, but I don't use it because of the trauma that it gave me. Yes, the trauma. Do y'all want to look at it? This is the foundation that I used to do my makeup with, even though I was really embarrassed to show this to y'all. But yeah, this is the foundation. And why would I be embarrassed? What for? I know it's a cheap price foundation, but I haven't stole it, guys. I have bought it, so there's nothing to be embarrassed about. So I want to tell you all my personal experience with this foundation. It is literally horrible, but I want to tell you anyway. Since I have started doing my makeup and started posting it online, from the beginning I was using this foundation, and at that time I didn't saw any harm of it on my skin, so I was keep using this foundation whenever I used to do my makeup. But from 2 weeks ago, I have completely stopped using this foundation. Here's why. So from the last week of February, I started getting pimples on my face, but at that time I was like, it's just pimples and it's gonna be fine after some time. But it didn't. I couldn't recognize why this were happening, so I was keep using this foundation because obviously I had no idea about this bitch until I saw little holes appearing on my skin. And at that time I goes like, what the fuck? Because let me tell you what, it wasn't less than a nightmare. But even after that happened, I didn't stop using that foundation, and I literally made 2 more videos using that foundation. But after that, I stopped using that foundation. Not for the reason that it was affecting my skin, but I got to know that it wasn't my shade. Clap it, girl. So yeah, I'm so unserious about this whole situation. But yeah, let me tell you another side of story. We all prep our skin before doing the makeup, right? And there are so many products used to prep our skin. I swear, I just had a moisturizer and that's it. No sunscreen, no primer and blah blah, just a moisturizer. And so I thought कि गलती तो मेरी भी थी, because मैंने कोई भी स्किन केयर अप्लाई नहीं किया या मेरी स्किन को अच्छे से प्रेप नहीं किया. And at that time I didn't had so much money or sufficient money to afford do skincare. So I knew about skincare, but I didn't have money. So the moral of the story is to become a rich bitch and live peacefully. Anyway, let's just start doing the makeup because it's been such a long time. So guys, first I'm going to prep my skin. And for prepping right now, I just have a moisturizer and sunscreen. वैसे just because हम लोग फाउंडेशन या कंसीलर कुछ भी यूज़ नहीं करने वाले हैं, तो इतना स्किन केयर और prepping is enough. So for sunscreen, I'm using this Nature's Sunban lotion. Just tap, tap, tap here. And now I have taken this compact powder. So yeah, this is going to be my base. Yeah, let's just apply it. When I started doing makeup, I didn't had a foundation and concealer. Still I don't have. And I learned that compact powder really work good for your base, even though you can buy it if you can afford it. And I will buy it soon, ASAP, as soon as possible, because universe is always working for me and maybe I have to work too. But yeah, if you are someone who is starting makeup and doesn't have any money, this is just for you. So just apply it all over your face. I remember I used to do it with my mom's one. This is my ones, by the way. I bought it 1 month ago. Done. So next I have taken this inside lip and cheek tint. I would also recommend, if you doesn't have a blush like I do have, you can use lip balm instead, because I used to do the same when I didn't even had a one. This is actually gifted by someone, so I'm grateful, and you should be grateful that I'm here giving you the advice I used to use before when I didn't had anything. So yeah, पता है पहले ना मैं ब्लश वगैरह बस ऐसे चीक्स और नाक पे लगा के ऐसे ही मेरा मुझे लगता था हाँ मेरा ब्लश का काम हो गया. But I got to know after seeing so many influencers and makeup content creator that you have to apply blush on your eyes too, like here, this part of the eyes. It will give you like a very fresh glow, and I absolutely love this part, because after doing this my eyes look so fresh. You can also take like a dab and apply it all like this here. Maybe I have taken so much, oh my god. It's okay, we are gonna blend it after. Guys, I just checked out in my mirror. It's so pinkishy. I have applied so much amount of blush and it's hard to now blend it. That's why I don't use a camera to do my makeup with. Imagine I didn't have a mirror and I just used my camera screen to do my makeup with, and just went outside like this, and people would told me, oh my god, aap to bandar ke pichwade jaise lag rahe ho. Anyway, I think yeah, now it's perfect. So I want to tell you all, the base is done. Now you have to do nothing. If you have highlighter, you can apply highlighter. If you want to add something, you can add it on your own. But I never use that all and I don't know about it. I don't have any. So now I'm gonna do my lip combo. Here I'm using this super matte lip liner in the shade of 066. You can look at the shade. Yeah, it's like that, and I think it just blends with my lips. So yeah, I'm gonna first outline my lips with this, and then I'm gonna just, okay, let me do it. I cannot explain anything, but बस मुझे करने दो. Did I messed it up? I think we need a mirror. Okay, without a mirror, life isn't easy. Now I can see it. So yeah, I have blended that lip liner. Actually, trust me when I say this, I don't use any lipstick. I just blend this light shade lip liner on my lips, all over my lips, and then outline my lips with this brown mocha lip liner. I think we all have this. If you're a baddie, you know this. I think this is the prettiest shade I almost like every time creates on my lips, and it looks just so good on me. That's why. Now I have taken my mascara and so now I'm ending this look with my lip gloss. Yes. किसी ने तो मुझसे इस lip gloss का link मांगा था, but I actually bought it from a mall, so I can't give that link. That's so stunning. So guys, our glam is ready. The amount of blush I have put it on my face is crazy. Even though I don't have any blush blindness. So I'm gonna make wings here with kajal. I'm not using any eyeliner. We're gonna make dots here. Okay. We're just gonna make a wing out of it. Oh my god. Who needs an eyeliner when you have a kajal? You can literally make anything out of it. I don't think it's sharp enough, or I think I messed this one. I think yeah, I messed this one. तो मुझसे जितना हो सकता था मैंने इसे फिक्स कर दिया, एंड आई थिंक मुझे थोड़ा और इसे अपलिफ्ट करना चाहिए, तो मैं अगेन मस्कारा यूज़ कर रहा हूँ. किसी ने मेरे कमेंट्स में लिखा था कि लड़कियां क्यों मस्कारा लगाते हुए ऐसे की हुई होती हैं, तो उसने लिखा था अब मुझे पता चल गया, मेरी वीडियो देख के अब मुझे पता चल गया. भाई तुझे क्या पता चल गया? मुझे भी बता, मुझे नहीं पता ऐसे क्यों हो जाता है. And now I think that I have completed this glam. थोड़ा बहुत पसीना हो गया है मुझे. It's all right. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all love this glam. I hope you all love this video and find this helpful. Although मुझे ये वीडियो बनाने का कोई भी मन नहीं था, but मैंने इसे बनाया है and you should appreciate my work. But मन इसलिए नहीं था because I think every beginners know this kind of makeup because ये काफ़ी basic था. But first I saw it as basic, then I saw it as a content. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.